And so before moving forward, I want to introduce myself and about our studio. I am Dr. Saeed Atiq Hussain, PhD in botany, and have expertise in our programming. My PhD is from University of Gujarat, Pakistan. Now I want to introduce about our programming and why we prefer our programming as compared to other packages. Although a lot of packages like Minitab, SPSS, MATLAB, Excel Stat, and other tools are available for data analysis. But nowadays, Python and R get in top ranked in data analysis. Python get first position and R you can say is on second. So Python and R are similar with each other. As you can say, if you know or about Word, Microsoft Word, and then there is no difficulties to handle with Microsoft PowerPoint. So similarly, as like PowerPoint and MS Word are programming and Pythons are almost relative with each others. So why R is preferred? Number one, R is an open source and free. Why we prefer R? Because R is open source and totally free programming language, which means that it is freely available for any times anyone to use, to modify, or to distribute. So we don't need to pay for R programming as compared to other packages like SPSS, Minitab, and other tools are available. They have annually charges or registration fee, so on. And this characteristic is particularly advantageous for researchers and institutions with limited budgets. So if you have not a budget to buy heavy packages like SPSS, MATLAB, you can use it freely. Second, wide range of packages are available for this. First is free. Second, wide range of packages are available in R. What are the packages we will discuss in detail in our next class. So, and what does it mean? Wide range of packages are available. If you are a MPhil, PhD scholars or postdoc scholars, and you want to write your thesis, you need different tools. Like for morphological data analysis, you maybe use Minitab or SPSS. For molecular biology, molecular data analysis, you can use bioinformatics tools. And for environmental studies, you need GIS. So different tools you need to learn. As a biologist or other specializations, we have no time, no space to learn each and every tools for data analysis. So if we want to write a manuscript, or a research paper, uh, we applied three or four softwares, but R replace all these four softwares. When you are using R, you don't need to learn SPSS, Minitab, Excel stat, bioinformatics tools, GIS. You can make map in R. You can do molecular analysis in R. You can do genomic data analysis on R. You can do simple biological data in analysis in R. You can do economic data in R. You can do statistical data in R. And each and every type of data you can do analysis in R. So R will be preferred for researchers and other business entities. Another important importance of R is its visualization power. It provides a advanced plotting, advanced and high output, high throughput or high quality plots, and with the on complex and complicated data set. So R will be preferred in upcoming days. It is a brief introduction about R, why we prefer R, and what is its comparison with other tools. Now, we uh, have joined 6 participants, but some participants still trying to connect. Okay. Now, first we need download and install. Download and install R and R Studio in our laptop. So be ready for practice. Now you will do with me. Please open Google Chrome or any other browsers which you have. Open Google Chrome. And first, and one more thing which I want to show you. If you type here visualization of dendrogram in R, simple I show you what you learn in this packages. And now if you Siemens, if you learn R, you don't need to learn GIS. You can apply GIS tool on R programming. I show you visualization of dendrogram in R. You can see here is a beautiful dendrograms. You will learn all these things in this course, from very basic to advanced dendrogram like this. I am showing just one analysis you because it is an introductory class, and when we move next classes, each and every classes you will learn more and more. So here is a basic plants, basic plot. So move to basic to advanced. Here you can see different formattings. All these are formed in R programming. Here is a unrooted phylogenetic tree. Here is a fan type dendrogram. Here is a radial type of dendrogram, circular dendrogram. You can also learn these types of dendrogram in this course. Like this. You can also draw, you will be able to draw all these dendrogram after completion this course. like this. But it is not limited. I explore you many more, which after completion this course, which any type of analysis which you seen on Google or other or any other research paper, and you want to draw similar plot, you can do like this. Here is also dendrogram. You will be able to draw these types of dendrogram. But if I show you others, many more, you can also draw all types of dendrogram. If you show here the images, yes, you can draw. In my 17th batch, many people, if I show you, first check this, then I will show my 16th batch. They have completed about 15 days, and no, they are making each and every plots by self. So you can draw these type of plots in R. All these plots are created in R. You mean, Hassan, you mean these types of dendrogram like this? Yes. Hassan, kindly check. You want to create asking about this type of dendrogram. If you drawn, here is a heat map correlation with dendrograms and other different types of dendrograms you can draw. All type of dendrogram which you seen in Google's, you can draw with R after completion this course. It is not limited just one dendrogram. You learn just one dendrogram, but you will be able to draw a lot of dendrograms with the help of R programming. So here is a very attractive dendrogram. You can also, it is a radial dendrogram, you can also draw with the help of R. Here is another things. So you can also draw 3D images. No, if I shown you heat map, you can draw these type of heat map with R. All these heat maps are created with R. So after completion this course, you will be able to perform or do all these type of analysis. Now I show you my 16 batch. They are in progress. Here is a 16 batch completed plot after completion 15 days of training. Here is a 3-day PCA plot. And Dr. Muhammad Arshad have created this. Similarly, you can see different type of plots created by participant. Here is a correlation heat map 3D plot. And all these plots you will be able to do by self. These are the assignments. Here is a 3D PCA plot. Similarly, here we can see a lot of plots created by different participants. Riaz Hussain from Multan created this plot, and like Dr. Fahim Bangash created this. And similarly, Dr. Muhammad Arshad created this type of plot. So after completion this training, here is just mention only one dendrogram, ANOVA, correlation heat map. You can create a lot of type of heat map, not only one type. Hope you will get what I am saying. No maximum participant had joins. No, I want to move to next step, that is installation and downloading and installations. So please all participant open Google Chrome. No, all participant try or do with me. Open Google Chrome and type here R CRAN and search it. Open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome type R CRAN. Click on R 4.3.2 for window. If you already have R, please make sure you must have 4.3.2. So I click on 4.3.2 for window. You also click on this if you have other operating system like Mac or other operating systems. You can choose other operating system and select your operating system. So click on here download or for window and start downloading. Start downloading. Please confirm me. All participants have started downloading. If you face any issue during training session, you can send me message in chat or you can share your screen to show me any issue or error. Please all participants confirm me. No issue, just a few minutes. It come on 1, 2, or 3 minutes. All participants, please confirm. And one more request is please type in Zoom your name. I am seeing some participant showing like iPad, and please replace it with your name. Simon, kindly let me know about installation is working or not. Sorry, downloading. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes. All participants, please. Okay. Please, if you already have, check its version. All participants, if they already have, please check its version. It's 4.3.2. Okay. Mr. Simon, have you installed our studio also? Or just installed our? Yes. Okay. Open our studio, and in our studio you can here you can see here is if you screen in screen number 2, you can see here is R 4.3.2. Find it in your R studio. 4.3.2. If it is 4.3.2, it's great. But if here is 4.3.1, you need to install it again because it is recently updated in November. Similarly, our studio is also updated before 3 or 4 days. So if you installed it before 2 months or 3 months, you need to reinstall it. Please let me know about version. It is 4.3.1 or 2. Mr. Simon, please let me know about version. It is 4.3.1 or 2. 1. Okay. You similarly download this and install it. It will update it. Follow similar steps. These steps. Open Google Chrome, type Arcran and start your downloading. After downloading, install this package. It will update it automatically. If it after installation it not update your R, so let me know. I will help you how to update this from setting. It will take about no, it's showing me about 7 minutes. Actually, it depend on internet speed. Maybe some participant. Okay, Mr. Simon, kindly download 4.3.2 version of R and install it without deleting previous. Okay, I'm waiting for just waiting for downloading. Sorry. Uh, Sorry, I repeat you. Actually, unfortunately, mic was mute. I repeat it. After completion downloading process, open location where you download your file. Okay. Hassan Abbas, can you share your screen? Can you share your screen? Okay. I allow you, please share your screen. And because I already have R programming in my laptop, so next its installation I perform on your laptop. So kindly share your screen. After downloading, I know some participants are downloading yet, but after completion, you have installed it. Very good. Oh, I want to show the process of installation, but you have already installed this app. So no issue. Close this screen. Kindly close it. I want to just show the process of installation, but hope it is not difficult for everyone. So all participants after downloading install this R programming, and no, after installation you need another package name R Studio. Type here R Studio download. You seen first website name Poised R Studio Desktop. Click here on R Studio Desktop. After clicking on first website Poised, uh, a new page will be open showing install R and install R Studio. Although here is also found R programming, but the version of here is 3.3.0. But in R Gran is the latest version of R. So you just need to install R Studio from here. Click on Download R Studio Desktop for Window. Click on it. After clicking, your downloading will start. It will take some times. In my case, it is showing. It is showing 4 minutes. And kindly all participants confirm me. The downloading process of R Studio have been started. If anyone facing issue, about its downloading process, please let me know. Please all participant in downloading successful. Sayed Akhlaq Ahmed, kindly let me know. Are you hearing me? Uh, Nasrullah, kindly Nasrullah Khan. Yes, it is R Studio. Have you downloaded R programming from R CRAN? Okay. Please install both R and R Studio. Download R from R CRAN and R Studio from Poised websites. Yes, I am. I am recording this video, and each and every lecture will be recorded and provided to you. Yes, I know some place there is an internet issues. Don't worry, I will provide you all videos for all lectures. Still not listening. If someone from China, you need VPN. For proper working of Zoom. So I have downloaded this RStudio app. So open folder. After installation, open folder location of RStudio. Here is the latest version of RStudio. I show you. It is updated on about 5 day before 15th December. So I already have old version. So I also need to update RStudio. If any participant already have installed RStudio before 16th December, you need to reinstall it or update it. So I again install this RStudio, latest RStudio. Here is. Double click on app. Asking about want to allow this app. Yes. He's saying our studio is currently running. Please close it before installing new version. So I close this app first. Here is our studio is open. I close this app. Don't save. Okay, now try again. Double click on this. Yes. Welcome to our studio setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of our studio. It is recommended that you close all other application before starting startup setup. It is saying close all applications which are in process or going to install. This will make it possible to update ready-made system files without having to reboot your computer. So click next to continue. Next. Here is asking about file location where you want to install this package or software. By default, it select our C drive or a Windows drive. So I'll let it do. Next. He's asking about to start many folders. So I just click RStudio and don't click on anyone. Install. So process installation process have been started. So we need to wait for this. No. Startup option, select no. Accept default. Click on no. And then uh, please, Mr. Simon, kindly select no. Accept default or no. And next. In my case, our studio is installing and saying me please wait while our studio is being installed. So we should wait it. So while it is installing, I want to show some more things about our studio and what we make on our here you can see about different type of heat map. If you want to draw PCA, you can see different type of visualization of PCA in R here. These all type of PCA you can draw in R by using different tools. PCA in R. There is a different type of the PCA, attractive PCA you can draw by using different packages of R Studio, so R programming. So all this type of PCA you will be able to draw within 20 days. You can see it's a very attractive PCA. If I click on it, you can see it's more types. Here is its scripts and from simple to advanced. Here is a very simple and complicated or advanced, more advanced and more advanced. And you can see is a very advanced formatting of PCA like this. You can also explore many websites and a lot of visualization. PCA show different analysis like it also show its correlation. It also showing grouping, clustering. It depending on your objective, research objective, what you want to extract from PCA. But commonly it is used for grouping and finding the reason of grouping. Like if you see here, there's a different grouping of one group here. Here is a grouping. Here is a grouping, and here is a grouping. One group is here, so it is for also grouping. It is also used for showing relationship. Yes, very valuable. Okay, I think I have finished installation process. Hope you will all have done our studio. So finish it and open both programs. First check R and then open R programming. Here is R Studio. And if you have R in your desktop, here is R. 4 point in your desktop, you can find it on desktop. Click on R 4.3.2. A relationship with variables, with treatments, with other factors, environmental factors. Here is a R, and it is outer look or dashboard of R programming. While on other sides, Here is our studio. And to open our studio, click on search bar of your window. Search bar, type here R and open our studio. Click on our studio. Here is. So initializing R, the R session is initializing. Just wait. Please all participants, if you have downloaded and installed R and R Studio, open one by one. First open R and look it and then open R Studio. When you open R Studio, Hassan Abbas, kindly you can show relationship between two or many more variables, 1, 2, 3, and so on. It depends on your research or study. If you have the three, you can check the three. If more, you can draw on more. Here is a R Studio. You can see in R Studio there are 4 windows. In your case, if you have installed no or recently, you have 3 windows like this. If you have 3 windows, please let me know. If you have 3 windows, just click on maximize. You can see 4 windows. So today our class is about introduction of R, what we learn in R, and how to download and install. No issue, sir. Give its time to for installation. So our today class is about introduction of R, how to download R and R Studio, how to install R and R Studio. So in our next class, we will discuss about what is the difference between R and R Studio and about framework of R for different screens on R. So we will discuss about 4 different screens on R. So this is the first class and it is also as a demo class for very participant. And please decide today if you want to continue this class. Please do a registration process and as soon as possible. So we will move smoothly and I have an idea about total number of participants because today only 7 participants, 8 participants have attend class while I think 15 or 16 participants have joined the batch. So if participants are interested, please do registrations. Thanks. Good night. If you have 3 windows, just click on here is a minimize or maximize button. Click here a maximize button, you can get 4 windows. Okay, thanks. Now my next class is going to start on 7. So time is completed. Now thanks. Now I'm going to end this meeting. If you have any further any question, you can ask in within WhatsApp group. I opened the chat for all participants, so you can share your views about your today class, and if you have any questions, you can ask within group. Thanks all participants, and good night.